Okay, so 32, square root of 32 equals the square root of 16 times 2. So you have to take that square root of 16. So we get 4 times the square root of 2. Now 4 times 6 is 24.
24 times the square root of 2.
24 times the square root of 2. So what about the square root of 50?
Well, see, square root of... That's the square root of 2 times 25.
Okay. So what is 2 times the square root of 50 then?
It would be 10 times the square root of 2.
Yeah, that's 10 times the square root of 2. And then finally 288.
288, well that's 140, the square root of 144 times 2.
Okay.
So that would be 12 times the square root of 2.
12 times the square root of 2. Okay, so I get 24 minus 10 minus 12.
That's going to be...
Oh, sorry, plus. No, minus.
Yeah.
Minus. Okay.
So that would be 2 times the square root of 2.
2 times the square root of 2. So what's 14 times the square root of 6 over 2 times the square root of 2?
Well, because it's 7 times the square root of 6 over the square root of 2.
Okay, yeah. 7 times the square root of 6 over the square root of 2, which is?
Oh. Oh. Well, 2 times the square root of 2 would be 2.
The square root of 6 is equal to the square root of 2 times the square root of 3.
So that would be 7 over the square root of 3.
7 times the square root of 6 over the square root of 2 equals what?
7 times the square root of 3.
Huh?
So there's a square root.
The square root of 3, because the square root of 2 cancels, the 2's under the square root cancel, so it's just 6 divided by 2, which is
3.
under the square root. So that whole big gigantic mess we had.
7 times root 3.
Yeah. Pretty crazy, huh?
So simplifying helps.
Yeah, simplifying helps. That's a very complicated simplifying problem. All right, good work.